What's up, y'all? It's your boy Just J21X on YouTube once again. I want to say good afternoon, good evening to each and every one of y'all. Thank y'all guys for clicking on this video. So today, guys, we're here at a car meet that's called hosted by Hump Day Cruise on a Wednesday evening, Wednesday afternoon. There's only a couple cars that are actually here for this event. I'm gonna kind of take a look around. We're actually gonna probably do like a little cruise to another location towards Lafayette and everything. We're gonna go ahead and head out there for whatever they got going on. So without further ado, with that being said, let's just get right into the video. Hope y'all guys enjoyed the video. Leave me some likes, some comments, all that good stuff. Share with y'all friends, family, whoever. Y'all help me get up to 800 subscribers on YouTube. And let's just get right into the video. Y'all start another day with a new banger. Here we go, fellas. Got a couple cars right over here, y'all. Got the Cadillac and the 5-volt, and we also have the Mustang right here as well. Got a couple cars we were about to roll out. Got the Nissan 370Z and the Volkswagen right here, and we also have this Chevy Nova, I believe this is. Got the Mark 5 Super right over here, as I see basically. And we got this truck right here about to start up. Gotta listen to that real quick. Oh yeah, that thing sound good. And we got the Camaros right here. Some very nice Camaros. Gotta get a cold start on both of them. This thing might sound crazy. Got the Camaro boys. Gotta listen to this one. Oh yeah, got this one right here and that one right here too. Alrighty, y'all, we just made it over here to the car show, y'all. Once again, we're coming across here. We got the Chevy Chevelle SS right here. Got a very beautiful Cadillac. And then we have this Mustang right here in this blue. Very nice seeing that out. And then we got the Whipple supercharged truck. I'm sorry my camera's not picking up, y'all, because it is really, really dark right here. So I know it's going to be kind of hard to see all the cars there in the back. And then over here, we got a GTR right over here. I never thought we would see. Very nice seeing that out. And then over here, we have, I believe this one is a C6 Vet. Yup. Very nice looking C6. Very nice seeing that. And then over here, we have this thing right here. We got some type of Wagoneer right here. I never thought we would see that. Very nice seeing that out. And over here we have the Camaro ZL1 1LE making 933 horsepower. Very nice seeing that. And we got this Shelby GT500 right here with the white stripes y'all can clearly see on the car. And then over here we have a race truck right here. Very nice seeing that out as well. And over here we have the Whipple supercharged white Ford F-150. We got two of them out here today. We got the black one and the white one right here. Very nice. And then passing up this Chrysler, we go to the back and we got a Nissan 370Z. Very nice seeing that, y'all. Love to see that. And then over here we got my boy here with his Nissan 350Z on some nice looking wheels. It is so dark, y'all, and I do apologize to people who actually will watch my videos that see this, but it is so dark, man. I wish they had some lights because it is so dark that you can't even see a thing. And then over here we have this Mustang right over here. I believe this one is a GT, y'all. I can't really tell, but yeah, it is so dark, y'all, and I'm really, really sorry. It definitely is a nice looking GT. Love to see that out as well. So right over here, y'all, we got the Chevy Nova right over here. This thing is really nice in that color green. Never thought we would see that. It's got the black stripes. Got the interior right here. Got the wheels I see out. Very nice seeing that. You cannot go wrong with a beautiful Nova right here. And then over here we have the Chevy truck right over here I see. Very nice seeing that. And then over here we have this Mustang, this classic Mustang.
Relatively easier.
I can see the nice red on here, very nice. And then we also have the Camaro SS right here as well. Very nice seeing that out as well in the night. So over here, y'all, we got this C7 Vet right over here I see. I'm sorry if my camera's not picking up well. I'm out here trying to get every car that I can. This is a C7 right here. Very nice seeing that out. I'd love to see a C7 right here. Got the red brakes, I see black rims. Got the red Z I see right here. This thing is nice, man. I love the color on this with the black stripes. And then over here we have the C6 Vet right here with the C8 headlights. You never see that every day in a C6. This thing is really nice right here, seeing that out. And then over here we have this Mustang right here. Look like a really nice looking green. This thing is really nice. Very nice seeing that out. There's a lot of cars out here that I never thought I would see. And then we got this thing right here. I don't even know what this is, y'all. It's some type of old classic from like the early 1920s and 1930s. Definitely a car you don't never get to see every day. This thing is nice, bro. I love to see that. So right over here, y'all, we got the S650 Mustang right over here in that very nice blue. We got a little bit of light over here, as y'all can see. And then we got the Charger I brought out for this event today as well. And then we also have the M Mark 5 Super. Very nice in that yellow. We have the Trans Am right here. Very nice seeing that out. And then we got this Camaro right here with no bumper. This thing has been in the garage for like so many years for what somebody told me. And then we got this one right here. These are the guys we rolled in at the Broussard Walmart, basically. And then we also have the Mr. Mason right here with this Volkswagen. And then over here, we got this thing right here. I don't know what you call these. I normally don't ever see too many of these at them shows. But he was riding along with us at the times. And then over here, we got this Camaro right here as well. It is so dark, y'all, and I can't even get a good sight of getting every camera footage that I want. So I do apologize to everybody who might see my video and I can't get every content that I want with the cars dark like this. So yeah. Got a Mustang right here rolling in. I can hear it from a distance, man. It's a 5.0 Mustang. Very nice seeing that out. Love to see that. Got the Nissan 350Z rolling out, y'all. Now we can kind of get a better look at it in the light and not in the dark. Got a C7 right here rolling up. That's a Z06. Never thought we would see this guy out. Very nice seeing him out this evening. Got a 5.0 Mustang right here rolling in. Late to the party, I see. Here comes old boy right here in the Super, y'all, about to leave. Got this Mustang right here rolling in. It's a black one. This thing is chopping. C6 coming in. Holy shit, that scared the heck out of me. That thing sound crazy, man. That truck get up and goes, man. That thing sounded good. ZL1 right here, ZL11 at least. Got the C6 leaving. Got a nice looking Cadillac leaving. Very nice in that green. Can't really get on it, but I don't know if that's a CT4 V8. I think it is. Y'all let me know if that's what it is. That thing sound pretty good, yeah. Here comes the Ford F-150. This truck right here. Holy cow, this thing is crazy. Yes, sir. Got the Shelby right here. This thing sounds crazy. C6 is right here. That right there, y'all, is 1,000 horsepower right there for a C7.